Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Menteri Rang Bak Jalap Konat Kongkal Sangma Hadian Kajinglap Jaka Federation of Khasi Jaintian Garo People Ya South Ligishnong Kiba Omshngan Ka Umbam Umdi Ulapan Pa Bak Sorkar Kam Day Ban Khein Sting Yakni Kaiphod Kabala Phat Test Tak Fkjgp Habe Ekran Migila Pathai Kubor Konat Kongkal Sangma La Ai Khublei Yakaseng Fkjgp Bakala Shim Yakni Sinjam Dakaba Shim Nong Muna Yaki Kibadan Haki Dong Batki Kentot Hanong Ba Shillong Kwadrat Lapan Pau Bah kanong ba Shillong kidan dagi hajar ligi top kum taw lapan pau ba uladep ban ptha yakatnat PHE ban le biang yakatas nakabenta ka jingsngan ki ba.
They had submitted a report regarding a water test that they had conducted, and I told them that we appreciate the kind of initiatives being taken, and these are very good initiatives being taken. But I would like to put 2-3 points forward. Number one is that we have more than 1,000 tanks that are there, that are run by locality, by municipal, by PHE, by different distribution agencies. Number one. Number two, that PHE department conducts tests regularly, and their reports have come out normal. So therefore, we are continuously doing, and we will continue to do in the future also. But having said that, and third point is that the water comes out from a source, and then through the source, it is then distributed through many networks of municipal, of PHE, of local, private lines, through different lines, into different tanks, again owned by locals, sometimes privately, sometimes PHE, sometimes municipal. And hence, when the water flows through the systems, some which can be very old also, there could be things that happened, so which we need to examine. But having said all of these things, we take the report seriously. I have asked the department to immediately conduct an inquiry into the entire process, and especially the 46 tanks that they have mentioned, and also to ensure that we go into all the other areas that are there. It's a large network, large system, and therefore we need to ensure that we take all the aspects into consideration. But as I said, nonetheless, we are not taking anything lightly. We will examine all the factors.